guys, just wanted to do a quick tutorial maybe on another cool way of how to use ChatGPT. So my wife and I have been talking a lot about redesigning our backyard. So this is our current backyard. I basically took a photo of it and I said, this is my backyard, update memory. So update memory is basically, if you don't know, ChatGPT does have localized memory about you and your information. So whenever you say update memory about XYZ, it will store that in its memory about you. You can actually ask ChatGPT, show me the memories about me, and it'll list all the stuff that it knows about you in memory form. You can delete and update those memories whenever you want. So when I found this out, I thought it was a pretty cool trick. So basically, whenever I say, hey, this is my backyard, it knows what I'm referring to. Anyways, what I asked it to do is now design a nice backyard with a bar and a nice Zen garden. Don't change the floors, fence, or TV on the wall. Everything else you can change. And then it just kind of describes everything and then says, let me know if you'd like to add or tweak. Do you want me to do it? And I said, just do it. And check this out. It's actually really cool. I thought this was pretty impressive how it kind of just took what I asked and applied it to my backyard using a live photo. But I really like the idea of having a small koi pond. So it added a koi pond to it as well, which is pretty cool. But it's not really ideal for me to have a koi pond underground because it's just, you have to do a lot of plumbing and all that crap, whatever. So make the koi pond smaller and above ground style, move towards the back of the yard. So it didn't really move it towards the back of the yard, but I love the design that it did anyways, which is a above ground koi pond next to the bar. So anyways, I just wanted to show you all that this is a really cool, useful way to use ChatGPT. And if you could take pictures of your areas and ask it to update the designs and whatnot. I've actually been doing that for other rooms in my house because we've been trying to update some of the designs. And yeah, this is just a really cool way to say, hey, I want to have like a cool, modern, minimalistic style, whatever, and it just does it. And really cool too, as I said, how much would it cost to update the backyard to look like this? And it literally just breaks down everything. Outdoor bar setup, above ground koi pond, Zen garden, optional add-ons, blah, blah, and here's the grand total. About low end 9,000, high end 18,000. And that sounds about right. Looking at this image, could probably find someone, maybe you can do it under 9,000 if you find someone to do it cheaper, but I think if you want more professional installers and whatnot, yeah, it's probably going to cost around 20 grand. So yeah, anyways, hope you all found this helpful. Bye.